This problem we want to find the vertex, axis symmetry, min or max, and the graph of the function. Got f of x equal to x squared plus 5x minus 2. Well, this isn't in standard form, so we're going to need to use our vertex formula to get us started. Remember the vertex formula, first step is identify A and B. A is the numbers for your x squared, which is invisible 1, and B is numbers for your x, which is 5. Now since A is positive, that means the graph's going to open up. Step 2 in the vertex formula. Take those values, plug them in negative b over 2a, and simplify. So we got negative 5 over 2 times 1, which gives us negative 5 halves. Step 3. Take that value we just found, plug it back in the original function everywhere we have an x. So I got x squared plus 5x minus 2. So I'm going to have negative 5 squared plus 5 times negative 5 halves minus 2. That gives us 25 fourths minus 25 over 2 minus 2. Now get a common denominator of 4. So this I'll multiply by 2, multiply the top part by 2, so that gives 50 over 4. Minus, now I'll rewrite 2 as 8 over 4. So that gives us negative 25 over 4, negative 33 over 4. Assuming I added and subtracted and everything correctly. So our vertex, the x part is the part from step 2, which is negative 5 halves, and then negative 33 over 4. Now our axis symmetry. It's the x part of our vertex, so we'll have x is equal to negative 5 halves. Now since our graph opens up, that means we'll have a min, and our min will be the y part, which is negative 33 over 4. Okay, let's look at the graph. Now negative 5 halves, that's like negative 2.5. Negative 33 divided by 4, that's a little bit over negative 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a little bit over, let's say right there. Now for our y-intercept, if I were to put 0 in for x, we'd have y is equal to 0 squared plus 5 times 0 minus 2. So we get y is equal to negative 2, which is right there. Okay, well our axis symmetry is at negative 2.5. We got these 2 points, so I'll kind of sketch the parabola here. Now flip it over to get my left side by symmetry. And we get something like that. And again, I just want you to graph it on your calculator. Go over here, press clear, press y equals clear x squared plus 5x minus 2. And then graph. And again, you'll get a much better picture than what I sketched out there. But anyway, these are your answers.